Yeah, Edgy. Give him the lighter.
Edge, come on, look at the big one. Let's look at the big one, the rocket. Look at the rocket.
Rocket.
Rocket. The rocket. Come on.
Oh, scoot back, guys, scoot back.
Back up.
Oh!
Just hope it don't fire though.
Fire move.
Woo!
We might have to spray there and then light up again. Just in case the fire.
Give him another one. Sandy, hand him another one. It's underneath you.
Won't he put it right here?
He said it won't. Yeah.
It's up there. It's not gonna go up, isn't it?
I don't know. But hand him another one.
The grass might go. What about that one?
That one?
This area.
Babe, what about this area?
Fire? Fire? I want some more.
Well, you can do like right here. Right here. Yeah.
Give me some more.
This corner.
I want some more fire.
Give them some more sparklies. Go, Auntie Amy.
Okay, Amy has them.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, big one, big one. Husband planting the fireworks.
Wait, you guys don't have the one that goes up, don't you?
Yeah, it's all in the bag. Look, Edgy, look.
Is that a rocket or no? No, it's not rocket. Okay. Amy, shower.
Whoa!
Okay.
That was all over the place.
That white one was almost all the way up to the top. He's about to do fireworks.
Sandy, do you want some more sparklies? No? Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna do that one too. Ooh, pretty!
What does the fountain one do?
Do some more, honey.
Do that one.
Garbage.
Let it go in.
Kari, move them around.
I don't know about that one.
Use the lighter.
Amy got it.
Oh, the lighter?
Yeah. Put it over there. The same spot in that corner where the road is.
And she come on, look at this one.
Oh, really cool.
Really cool. Look. Yeah, just put it right there. Look, guys, look. Another one.
Edgy, look. Edgy,
Look, another one. Edgy, look. Woo!
Is that it? That's all done. Just plain.
It's a lot of smoke coming out.
Oh no! You can run! Move! Stop! Get the smoke!
Edge.
Back up. You two back up. You two, Kari. Back up. Oh.
Red.
Back up. Woo!
That's a lot of smoke.
I know, right? Oh, look at the color.
A bubble! Bubble! Oh, cool. Is it fire?
It go do.
That touched my ears. It's smoke coming up the tree.
Because each firework was coming from 3 different chambers. You had one chamber.
Alright, do the other rest.
Fire. You had another chamber that sent up the sparks. You had the other chamber that was sent up the purple stuff.
Give them all the fountain ones.
They call it Big Bazooka.
Bumming the fire. That's the same one.
Hopefully we don't have no haters.
Hurry up, just do it. Put it down.
I know, right? They're like, oh.
I think we're too close.
They're like, what? They might be naked.
Don't worry, it won't pop.
So it's only 8 o'clock.
2? Mommy.
It's 9 o'clock already.
Oh, 9 o'clock.
Back up, back up, back up.
No! Ed, back up!
There's another one. Give him the other one.
It's the blue.
That was green, Ed.
It's a lettuce smoke.
And the answer that should be like pancake. I'm like, no, your pancake in there.
The lettuce smoke.